little birdie. You're so cute. This little birdie has an injury. Hi, little birdie.
Yeah, I mean, okay, well, we gotta go home because I want to see.
So cute, little birdie.
Yeah, did you listen to the
Poor thing. I love you, little birdie.
I liked him a lot. I mean, he's just talented.
Can I pet you?
I mean,
Come here, little birdie. It's okay, little birdie.
not nearly as good.
It's okay.
Really?
It's okay, little birdie.
I mean, I think some of it's good. I think I like pipe down.
It's okay, little birdie.
The beginning's good, but like I don't like the whole thing. Okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Yeah. I mean, you know.
I'm in New York City and this poor little birdie has an injury. That bird can't fly away.
It's like anything. It's quite frank.
Hi, little birdie.
Okay. Well, we'll talk to. Yeah. Let me know. Shoot me text it.
Can I get a close up?
Okay. Cool. I'll take a look at it.